Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Eva Evelyn. So I'm back again with another foot care routine. So today I just want to show you how I normally mask my feet. So stay tuned, subscribe if you have not subscribed, and now let's start the video. So that's warm water. I've just added body wash, and then I have my bicarbonate of soda that I've just added. Then after that, I'm just shaking the water to make sure that I make some foam and all that, ready to soak my legs. So I'm going to soak my leg for like 10 to 15 minutes. One of the reasons of soaking the leg is, one, it relieves pain. Two, it helps in the softening of the cuticles and dead skin, and therefore scrubbing becomes so easy. Then after soaking, I'm going to use my cuticle gel. I'll mix it with bicarbonate of soda. I'm mixing it on my hand because I'm going to use my hands to apply. And then after that, I'll be applying on my legs, especially the heel part, and allowed the nails. So the cuticle gel is going to help in the softening of the cuticles. Then the bicarbonate soda also helps in the softening of the heel, and especially if your heel is cracked or if you have dead skin. Then after that, I'm going to lap it just to give it some time to enhance the combination to do its thing, that is softening of the legs and softening of the cuticles, and just making my legs to be softer than usual. So this is one of the ways that I do mask my legs. So this is how they'll be looking like. So I'll give them some few minutes, like 10 to 15 minutes. You can do this, it's all depend on the time that you have, until you see like they are sweating. At this moment they'll be feeling a bit good, like some kind of a warmth, which is good. It shows that the mixture is working. Yeah, it's doing its work. Then after that, I'm going to unlap, then scrub. Scrubbing becomes so easy. So guys, advantages of scrubbing your feet. Why should you scrub your heel? One of the advantages, to remove dead skin, to prevent cracked heels. Two, to make your feet pretty, and then to soften your heels. Like if you want a baby bum feet that are very very soft, this is the way to go. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to support me by subscribing. If you haven't, then comment in the comment section. Let me know, would you try out this video? Do you like it? And if you have tried it, please let me know in the comment section if the results were amazing, and if you are happy with the results, let me know. Okay, yeah, so let's all scrub to remove the dead skin. How often should you scrub your legs? Very often, and especially if you wear open shoes. Yeah, that's all I can say. Very often if you wear open shoes, but if you wear closed shoes, I don't think very often is useful. Maybe once in a while. Okay, but if you have cracked heels, please make sure that you keep on scrubbing your heels and moisturizing them. Okay, so right now I'm doing final touches, just ensuring that I clean the nails. The nails are also part of the feet and they should look good. Yeah, so final touches, I'm using the other part of my cuticle remover. At the same time, I'm using a toothpick just to ensure that I remove cuticles and dirt. At the same time, dead skin allowed my nail, but mostly removing the dirt allowed the nails. So I'm just ensuring that I clean up and everything is perfect. So that's why I'm exchanging and just, yeah, doing it until I'm satisfied. Yeah, so guys, please support my channel by subscribing. So many people are watching my videos and I'm so happy about that, but I don't know why you're choosing not to support me by subscribing. Please support me by subscribing to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. It will also encourage me to do more of these videos. Then after that, I'm using my pedicure blush, tooth brush of course, but it is not for the tooth. Yeah, just to clean the nails. Then after that, I'm just ensuring that I over dry the nails the toes and in between the toes to avoid fungal diseases and all that. Then after that, the most awaited time or procedure is moisturizing the feet, and at this moment they feel so good. They are so soft, and I wish the hands can tell you how they are feeling, but I know you can see it right there. Like, you can see how they look good, they look pretty. And remember, this is not pedicure, like it's not real pedicure, this is just better foot care. So please, if you can be able to try this at home, please try it. So I'm using glycerin, that is what I'm using to moisturize my legs with, all my feet and my heel in general. So you can use any moisturizer that you have. So thank you guys for being here. I really appreciate that you are here, that those people who always engages with my comment, my content, always commenting. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. So see you in my next video. Bye.